Hi, today in front of me is a Redmi 4X and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then we should scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the default notification sound section. Click here once. After that, switch ringtones to profile and tap to ringtones. Now we can see here notifications. So let's select one from these available notifications. Click here apply and select this ringtone. Okay, let's go back to the sound settings and we can see that we just successfully changed our notification sound to another one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.